Nested classes. In Java, we can define a class within the block of code of another class. This is called nested classes. This enables us to logically group classes that are only used in one place and increase the encapsulation. This video will be just an introduction, and as such, you may take a look at some kind of an hierarchy to try to illustrate what are the different types of nested classes in Java. Overall, they are separated in two groups, static and non-static nested classes. Static nested classes are just one type. Non-static nested classes may be logically separated into three other types: inner classes, method local classes, and anonymous classes. We will examine each type in the next couple of videos. But why you should be interested in nested classes overall? What is the benefit of using them? What more should we know? Nested classes are considered members of its enclosing class, so they can be declared with all of the four access modifiers: public, protected, default, or private. This doesn't concern actually the method local classes, which are considered local for the method, and though cannot have access modifiers. Nested classes can be used to logically group classes that belong together. It is a stronger grouping than putting them together in the same package. Nested classes can increase encapsulation as well, by far. Nested classes can lead to more readable and easier to maintain code. One specific type of nested classes, the anonymous class, is tightly related to another feature of Java, which is becoming very popular in the last couple of years: functional programming and lambdas. So there are a lot more things to learn about nested classes.
For more details, check the link in the description. Learn with Whizlabs. Success certified.